In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give QuickBooks access to accountants. If you're using QuickBooks Online and want your accountant to review your books, make changes, or run reports, the best and most secure way is to send them an accountant invitation. This gives them the tools they need without using up one of your regular user seats, and you stay in control of access at all times. Start by signing in to your QuickBooks Online company as an admin. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of your screen for the gear icon. That's your main settings hub. Click it, and from the menu that opens, choose Manage Users. This is where you can see who currently has access to your company and what their roles are. If you don't see this option, double check that you're logged in with an admin level account, since only admins can invite or manage users. Inside Manage Users, you'll notice a dedicated Accountants tab. Click that tab to open the area specifically designed for inviting an accounting professional. Here, select Invite or Invite Accountant. You'll be prompted to enter your accountant's email address. Type it carefully and make sure it's the email they actively use for their accounting work, since the invitation link will be sent there. A quick tip: a small typo in the email is the most common reason an invitation doesn't arrive, so it's worth a second look. When everything looks good, click Send Invitation. That's it on your side for now. Your accountant will receive an email with a secure link. They'll click that link, sign in with their existing QuickBooks accountant credentials, or create a QuickBooks accountant account if they don't have one yet. After they complete that step, access is granted automatically. You don't need to approve anything further. Back in your QuickBooks Online, under the Accountants tab, you'll see their status update to active once they've accepted. If it doesn't change right away, give it a moment and ask them to check their spam or junk folder just in case the email was filtered. A few helpful notes as you wrap up: invitations are specific to the email address you enter, so using the correct professional inbox is important. Accountants invited through this tab receive specialized tools designed for cleanup and review, which means they can work more efficiently without changing your day-to-day setup. And remember, you can return to the same Accountants tab anytime to confirm who has access. That's all you need to do to safely and quickly share your QuickBooks Online file with your accountant. Follow these steps and you'll be collaborating in no time.